Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside your Canva design. First, click the image or element you want to alter. Once selected, move straight to the top toolbar and choose Edit Image. You need the background remover only for solid backgrounds. If it's not available, use a plain background or simplify the image. Make sure to duplicate the layer so you keep an original copy. Once done, you'll be ready to remove background and isolate the color you want to make transparent. Now, run Background Remover to instantly strip away common backgrounds. This isolates the subject and any remaining color patches. If automatic results miss spots, switch to the Erase brush and paint out the unwanted color, adjusting brush size for edges. You can also use Restore to put back fine details. Make sure to work at 100% zoom for hairlines and translucent areas, because accuracy here prevents color halos. To finalize, either use a transparent PNG export or apply transparency to the isolated layer with the transparency slider. If you need to remove a specific color, use Effects or a color picker tool to target and erase that hue before exporting. Once done, export as PNG with transparent background checked. If you see a color fringe, go back, feather the edge slightly, or rerun cleanup at higher resolution. This usually fixes halos and preserves crisp edges for compositing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.